Hey everyone, Jordan here with 9 to 5 Toys. Today, we're going to be taking a quick look at unboxing the new Xbox One X Gears 5 Limited Edition bundle. The internals are identical to a normal Xbox One X, but it has a slick new design to it for all the Gears fans out there. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications with the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So obviously the Gears series has built quite a strong following and fan base over the years. This limited edition bundle is priced at $500, which the normal Xbox One X is priced at $374, and then the Gears 5 Ultimate Edition bundle just by itself is $80. So it is a little bit more expensive than buying the regular Xbox One X and the Gears 5 Ultimate Edition bundle, but you're getting this limited edition console that has some pretty awesome features to it. It also includes the Gears of War Ultimate Edition, which includes downloads for all of the previous Gears of War games. Alright, let's open up the box and see what we have inside. First thing we see on top here is a few download cards with different coupons for Xbox Live Gold, Xbox Game Pass, and the Gears 5 Ultimate Edition. And then the next box has the stand for the console, which you'll definitely want to use to show off the special console. And in this next container we have the accessory box. In here we have the controller, HDMI cable, and power cable. Getting this controller unwrapped, you can see it has a special skin on top, some blue triggers, and some blue accents under the thumbsticks. It's a pretty awesome special skin for the Xbox One controller. And that just leaves the console, so let's get it out of the box here. And here's a look at the back. And then we have the front with this awesome Crimson Omen logo. If you look close and kind of move it back and forth, you can see it has a 3D effect to it, like it's actually buried in the ice here. It looks really, really sharp. And then the rest of the Xbox One X is the same you would expect with a normal console. The front's the same, all the inputs and outputs on the back are the same. Let's get it put up on the stand here so we can take a better look at it. This is definitely something you'll want to put on a stand and show off with these limited edition graphics. They look extremely sharp. And that's about it for this video. There's not much else in here. If you're a Gears fan, you're gonna love this limited edition console. It is a bit of a premium at $500, but it's still probably a must-have for collectors. So what do you think of the Gears 5 Xbox One X limited edition bundle? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.